Kokwarigania semesa ya mangana mayanya lego kumanya lya bereka wateka kurwa sema mbialenge ntambe weka Chinsa chigabono chiabono botugekero chiaragire Chinsa Isato inyora sitaliki nemeronge bere na kenda omutinyo gatatu mwaka bwekiri bubere na meronge bere nebere na mange abereka okalekana seri tukeliga lya Jumaine nyirabono hamatemwa a KCP nigobono agendrete kole tomuchengo ase Chinsa ao naboigo inyora chiskuru chiri chigendrete okarabya nigo chigendrete kogokerwa asoboigo omuroberio bwoko agache factory ya matoke asorongorwa gusi ogendrete kobe kwa haju amo nenda mange aseribo Chia bono botuko naboigo oriato kubwatera igakoro Joshua Utsa literane nchenkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha. Na nigo togochaka kurwa sensemo ye chikanisa ekiombegia Interfaith Council nigo bono Kenya rege kuboria serikali kone kibunanko beka baremero berio era chikokonya ogo keya nabo igogo sirio gosara kwa bana banyaroka nigo chinga kichye kembe kibono kyaburia bana siasa okora siasa chiawa senchira yomurembe unomuriko ito Brighton Makoli agotomanya.
Nonya serikali yarorekanire kobeke meroberi ya bene erigokora ogosara kwa bana abaiseke amo negisegi ja nyomba nigo bano ekebekyo kendete kwenekiwa ase orogongo rwagusi bakwana negetaseni Ndizi TV Interfaith Council imeye county ya Kisii nigo bono besokire na kugikeri enganeyo asebono babuli meroberi ya bene kobekwa erigokora obobe obwo.
As religious leaders, we call upon the government, especially Minister of Interior, to remain vigilant and proactive to identify and prosecute those involved in the vice, especially the medical personnel who engage in the same.
Wasichana kukeketwa, hiyo imekuwa kitu ambacho imesumbua community yetu sana, lakini tunaomba kwamba ile vita ambayo tuko nayo sana ni hiyo vita ya kuona kwamba hiyo kukeketwa imeisha, na tunaomba kwamba mahali wasasi ambao wanatuangalia ama wanatusikia, jukumu lenu kubwa ni kujua kwamba wacha kuharibu msichana yako, kwa sababu msichana ni wa muhimu, msichana ni wa kesho.
Akwana chingwana jigo turwani marembe ngori rubale egatambugero egatindi tabirumna miroberi ya bene takereko begwa erikorenda abana amo n'abasubade
kaunti yetu ikwe na amani.
Ngolipotelya egataseni Ndizi TV kuru ase ward ya Kisii Central ebunge nyalibali chache iretariane Brighton Makoli.
Mbiyamono Brighton Makoli asorobochirwa senchira yoboikirano muwaziri bwe serikali Chegenka Eugene wa Marwa ngati yabarayibikirana samagacha ATC meyomo chobosongoli tokolya lero asokorotota umuroberio bogo chikoigole factory ya matoke asorgongo rwagusi umurikeito Mirded Mumanyi nigekirana senseme yona gotwaliganiria roboti rokubwatia.
Oboremi nabwo esiro asogokinia uchumi ya Kenya abwo ase county ya Kisii nero etatigiri magega. Asensemo ya ATC nigo ogochakiwa kwe factory ya matoke ya igorwa eliogo chiago chaka gokora emeremo iboikeranu abwo ase omugavana James Ongwae omwaziri w'oboremi Esman Onsaligo nabageni ao baikirana asenseme yo na kwenakia okoigoro okwo.
Iga tuwaja koigore banana processing plant kesaba antomorenka a processing plant ya banana ne okobeka okorosia amatoka ito ayako gene Nairobi toko egurigo lirike eliegere agoruga eganka facility e machine chionspi tuwaji test rero wachigo kolegas chionspi.
Therefore, on behalf of the entire department and on behalf of the farmers, we say thank you, Your Excellency Governor, for the good support you gave us. Now we have a banana Kisii farmers banana cooperative, which will be dealing directly with the investor who will be operating this factory.
Omwaziri w'oborendi Eugene wa Marwa natogia abagusi ase omokiobo ase sekta y'oboremi na koirera emeroberio emiya ase county ya Kisii.
Kila county imebarikiwa kwa njia tofauti. Hapa umebarikiwa mna mvua ya kutosha na udongo wa rutuba sana. Hapa ndio nchi ya matoke. I don't think there's anywhere else in Kenya inashinda Kisii. Na tuliangalia sana tukasema ni nini tunaweza fanya hapa Kisii. Na hii factory ikiwa hapa, ile matoke yenu ilikuwa inaenda Nairobi, would be creating employment kule Nairobi. Lakini sasa vile tunafungua hii factory hapa, hiyo employment itakuwa created hapa kwa vijana wenu hapa wa Kisii na utajiri uje hapa kwenu.
On these projects today, we are convinced that it will not only put a smile on the faces of banana farmers households.
Ongwae nigo airari bagayerio kubatogia aboro kigwa bakorete
omwana omugusi omumura oba number 1 korugusi Kenya ngima ane nyaroka oba number 1 korugusi Kenya ngima njebona nabatebi na matoka ya tubakoria gusi
Kwa ripoti ya Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, elitariane Mildred Momanyi.
Mbiyamuno umurikito Mildred Momanyi hasorobochirwa senchira yoboikiranu bono gotigana nera Mildred Momanyi nigamenyo kurwase wodi ya Ariana Chinsemo Chiabo Nchali county ya Kisii bale eki bakwegokera maigayo kuligekero kyobo jumbe koruase ensemeyo omanyikatabuna Charles ne roboti rokobwatia
Vosi bwabochorio bonene abarayiba kurigie biroge bagendete nemero bilyo kwene kibuna ngoikera bara abanyakenyoro na goitabwa ase kenyoro kiabo machabe ewodi yali anaime bunge ya Bonchari niga abanyakenyoro bakorera buna batwaliro mo chando bwa macha senga kientambe yue koirera barabuko butase chindo chenga kientambe oko babagoichorerana
onye to chandegete to gweto mamba kaga liroche diana Togo tambuke para moroche nerami muna tuaro sereti. Tebwati silo pambu. Abangina baminta bagotu basi nyugo tambuka.
Ukitacho tobwate kemangina bali deiga. Ebaga tarira tambe sana kuligia maji. Lakini bono nya babe gira maji yangega. Asefiri chinsa. Abantu bono nabakonya chinsa cyo kuliga chingeni.
Amache konyora toko gendera ini rochera ini tuabwata korumambi paka mogoroba. Bono ga twakonya kire na amache tiganya samo seseni. Tonyora amache botambe na nda tokorere binge.
Nonyeigo nigo bagokeiro bokonyi bwa mache bairuno yokorigekero kyobo jumbe ime bunge ya Bonchari Charles Onchoke abwa sabara ivande basabiru goikanga abantu nakobakerie mechando bagwetera
igo twagokire sana oyo minto Charles otokonyire amacha ega muna torega to twakonyekire na amache na ende tobwenera tutware atware achigo toigorera none chirere gari chicho chirari chitana koigoru gesena gesena toigorera na intutokore gasiororo igo twaira neirimbi yamano aso mwana oyo minto Charles akore to gwancho kuya kabeka mache gaiga abangina ba minto ntogogeti nondo kabwete nere chitangie kabireti orange nanchera gakia kore buna Charles akorire abeka mache nchera goeta no endirio monta goeta igweterango ominyoka
ruche tutara ke stage
tatu na tatu narama tukatigire goika asobochorio bonene asa abantu basabiru ko bamaiso na kobachora barayi babwate bikoru ebiya
amache na robo
156. That is index number 1. We had an enrollment of 56, but 2 were absent.
Nonya nabo eskuru yo nigo ebwate amagacha mabemono kurwa ebirasi goika chinyomba cyobo chenu ase ababwatani bonsi baboliwe gokonya koroisia na gokinia ebirengo bya magacho imeyanyangiti
asa abana baito bagosoa bana baito mbabwati nonye nebirogo bagoikaransera ebirogo nigo byebereregete lakini nyasaba konye ekero mogocha mochiche esukuru nko gwerera abana gacha bagambi ba minto
improvement imemake ni improvement juu sana si rahisi kupata sura imemake improvement kama hizi ndio sana tungependa sana uangalie upande wa michengo ya hii shule na tunashukuru sana kwa wale wote ambao wameweka mkono kwa wanafunzi hao kufanya vizuri. Kuna wengi sana ambao wameweka mkono wao ambao walikuwa wamewatakia mema kama wakili Kilifo Mbeta aliwatakia mema na aliahidi atakuja kusaidia madarasa mawili si alisema hivi. tunawashukuru wote. Na tunasema watu wote wenye nia nzuri wakuje wasaidie hii issue.
Omubunge bwa constituency yo Pavel Oimeke nigo nere abakira abaroki wangambi ya mono aseboigo akwanira engana ya magacho.
Ase abana baitu bakoreta amatemba class 8 KCP tete wakira mbya mono school cha koreta bya baiboli abarimu amana school especially Nyang'iti primary yaba the most improved. Nyang'iti primary ni nyata chipesa is budget ya 2021-2022 financial year and ejenga se chinde because tete school ya gachwe. School here has the highest population nebo atabana bange sana. Ane nanye tarete nga promise ngan kubana chipesa na bayiri chipesa na njenga se chinde.
Gingo reporter ya Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV iletariane Mildred Momanyi.
Biyamuno Mildred Momanyi soroboti rwasenchira yoboikira nubono gotigara na kumurekera boiga mangana rengete chisemi sorigirire skuru ya Gakero SDA Day and Boarding egotoke nsemo ya bumachoge baroboni ko babere bagwetere mechande menge asokonyara gukinya ibirengo byabo byechisemi no naboni go bagokerete asokonyore mini grade ya Max Team Isato na 13 no ibare gwetere ebitango aho uno muri Kito Brand Saginisena agotumanya.
Lituko lya kabere magega ya machibu ya matemo a Kenya Certificate of Primary Education KCP ikobato kwa lituko lya igoro nigo twakora etaro ya itoko chase chiskuru au likomanyana chiskuru chikorete aiga ase county ya Kisii ase ebunge umachoge county ya Kisii nigo eskuru ya Gakero SDT amachibu ayo.
I'm proud of this school of which I've headed for the last 4 years, and that is from 2018 May to date. And in 2018 when I came in, the mean of the school was 272, and then today we are celebrating this year 2022.
Appreciate my teachers for the effort they have done to me, though there was ups and downs. They encouraged me I could make it one day.
My name is Ian. I scored 316, even if I expected 350.
My name is Zilpa Orondo. I scored 349. I thank God for that. Even though I expected 370 and above, but all in all, I do thank what God has given me.
I scored 350. I like to thank my teacher for the good cooperation that we have since we started, and I like to join Kisumu Girls, and I like to be a doctor.
Korengana no mwalimu monene ase skuru eye nigo eskuru eye ga korende nonya nabo nigo bagogete asebaikira go ikera bono.
The school is growing. It's still young, but it's growing very fast because of the performance of the school. What we really lack is enough facilities, of which I believe in future we might do very well. Enough classrooms, because if you can look at the background, we have iron sheet classrooms, of which I had to improvise while we wait for incomplete classrooms to be completed, and we believe it will be completed very soon.
Korengana na boboli abanke nigo county ya Kisii na bweko chiskuru choro gongo cha kolete buya nganonya magayo gwa kwa nemechando aiganaria.
We have cooperated very well. That's why we are happy with the result. And
Gingo reporter ya Ndizi TV iretera nembra
soroboti rwasenchira yoboikira nugo tigara borokia amona boroki gwa kubwaterana amona baiboli bagandrete gucengera mateme yo anyaretaga korali gwali tukigoro no mwaziri bwesemi Professor George Magoa kurosorongoro gusibo igoniga boroki wabo bagandrete kwegokeria amatemo yo.
Kira Mabera, I'm from the Limu Academy. I actually scored 396, and I'm grateful to the Almighty God for giving us those marks. I also appreciate our teachers for whatever they have given us until where we have reached. So I'm happy.
Tamogire Nyakundi, I study at Mwamba Mixed Primary School. I had a total of 366 marks, and my ambition in life is to become an engineer. Thank you.
Juma Martin, the head teacher at Mwamba Mix. I'm very happy with the boy, with the school fraternity for the performance. Our boy has scored 366, and we are very happy for that. We have recorded the highest means since the school was started.
the 73 candidates. We had 73 candidates, and all the results are here with us. Our first candidate had 416 marks. 16 pupils got 400 marks and above. Our last candidate had 339. Those who got below 350 are just 2. So this is a very good performance. We thank God.
We're extremely happy about that. We are looking forward to an even better result in the coming years. And this is coming against a backdrop of the junior secondary. I want to believe that the government is promising that those of us running private schools are free to start junior secondary.
Na boigo goikase county ya Nyamira ya bana matemo a KCP muri kito kurwase